Why does he need to come on Traitors? It's a prize money of 1 crore. And उसके लिए चिल्लर है वो. Hi, this is Avanti.
Hi, this is Priyanka.
Welcome to
Over Coffee or Wine. So today we are going to talk about Traitors, the new show on Amazon Prime.
Let's talk about some of the celebrities who are in it.
So there are like 15, 20.
Yeah.
Some people who stood out to us in terms of their
Yes.
gameplay, or maybe we didn't know them from before. Urfi, I just know her from her reels and all the
Urfi.
paparazzi, yeah, and her clothes, her innovation thereof. She's nice. I thought everyone would be very, very over the top. Everyone is bearable. Urfi, and she brings a little bit of comic relief
Yeah.
compared to like a Sudhanshu who is not giving me anything.
Nothing. I swear.
If
He
that's
was.
his gameplay, very good, but I have no idea.
I like her bindas attitude. It's like, I don't care what people say. I'll wear what I want. I'll do what I want. And she's kind of like that even on the show. She's proving to be not so smart, and none of them are. But I like her, yes. Yeah, Sudhanshu Pandey, man. So, to your point, from a game plan, no one has said Sudhanshu's name, right? I don't remember at any of the table anyone has said, I think it's Sudhanshu.
Yeah.
So, I think he is very under the radar, but he's also boring.
You'll have to give the contestants benefit of the doubt because there are so many that what do they pick up in editing is really up to the editors, and they will try to pick up more sensational conversations. Another contestant who is shining in this whole series, who didn't even know the name of before, is Elnaz.
So I know Elnaz because she was in Sacred Games. She's not Indian, by the way. She speaks Hindi so well.
German Iranian.
She's playing really well. Shout out to her, man.
Yeah.
Since we're talking about sensational, she was very loud. She still is, I think. So that's kind of a little bit putting me off.
Yeah.
I think you know who I'm talking about.
Yes.
Let's see if you want to guess.
Apurva.
God. And I have never watched any of her content. The only reason I know Apurva is because of Samay Raina. When this whole controversy happened, she was in that episode. That name is fitting. Rebel Kid. Another person that I really want to talk about is Mr. Ashish Vidyarthi.
Aw.
Because he is only napping.
He's gone on a staycation.
Seriously. He's like, अच्छा है एक episode का थोड़ा थोड़ा पैसा मिल रहा है मैं जाके सो के आता हूँ. All the conversations that he is having are in a horizontal position. His conversations are like on the bed.
To his credit, I think he was the first one to even mention a right traitor.
You're right. He did. And maybe he's like napping and looking at everybody and
Yeah,
observing or
yeah.
something. But he's only napping, man. And everybody's sitting and they're like, अगर ये traitor है ना तो मतलब ऐसा कौन traitor nap करते रहेगा? Which is true.
So another set of participants is Mahi Kapoor and Anshula Kapoor. They are Chachi and niece. I thought that was a bit of a disadvantage. Why will you get people who are related?
Yeah, see, Big Boss, there is no traitor and all. Here, if one of them is, there is little bit of conflict of interest. Also, you know the person personally, right? So how they would behave if they are hiding something.
If you and I were in the traitor house, I would know
pakka
when
know.
you're
I will have Priyanka ही है, इसको निकालो.
I didn't expect you to say it like that. It's also a disadvantage because everyone's looking at them as a unit.
Right.
It is bringing focus on them. And I like Anshula. Have you seen her on Insta? No.
Sometimes
She keeps it very real and she'll recommend products and very real in terms of her issues with her makeup and skin. She's very, very relatable. And Mahib, I really expected her to be more sassiness.
completely agree. We've both watched Bollywood Wives and she was so like twat. Like all the time. My God, such twats. Like this was not there. Zero it was in this show. So I was a little disappointed because I feel like she was just there for the heck of it.
She was not contributing about who can the traitor be and all the strategy or anything. Maybe that was her play. Again, you're trying to tell people you're not the traitor. So maybe she was like, if I keep talking too much, they'll think I'm the traitor.
Yeah.
Disappointed a bit.
Mahip, you have set expectations like this high, man, now with Housewives.
Not
done.
Housewives. Even someone on the show called it that.
Shit,
It's
I'm so
Bollywood
sorry.
Wives.
Bollywood Wives. But I said Housewives because it's similar to the real Housewives of this city and all.
Yeah.
So that's why I said Housewives. But yes, Bollywood Wives. Last one person I want to mention, I still have no idea who this person is. Sufi.
You don't know Sufi. I know Sufi.
Who is Sufi?
He would comment on people on the red carpet. That's how he got famous. So if there is a Khan or any show, when they have those looks, he would give feedback.
But right now even he's getting on my nerves a little bit.
Shilpa Shetty's husband, Raj Kundra.
Why did he come?
That I want to come and prove that I'm a good guy. Because a lot of controversy na, related to him. You saw his whole mask phase. He used to be in a mask all
Why
the time.
like that he was?
So I thought it was because he's going through some plastic surgery or something.
He doesn't
But
look
I
that
don't
way,
think
but
so.
if he has, then he has wasted his money because I don't see anything. The reason also why I was saying about why he's there, you know how rich he is? Why does he need to come on Traitors? It's a prize money of 1 crore and that too is guarantee nahi hai. Up to 1 crore you can win. Uske liye chiller hai wo.
They had to get famous people. Like Maheep and Anshulan also don't.
Oh, like that.
No one needs the money as such. नहीं तो Squid Game ही हो जाता ना.
So, Traitors, full on time pass show. Watch it. Hope you enjoyed this episode. If you liked this episode, there are many other videos of us too. Watch them and subscribe to our channel over coffee or wine.
Bye.
Bye.